Here is the script for the review. Hey there, fellow gamers. Are you ready to take your gaming experience to new heights? I've got an exciting review for you today. Let's dive into the Skytech Gaming Nebula gaming PC. This beast of a machine packs a punch with its powerful AMD Ryzen 7 7700 3.8 GHz CPU processor, which means it can handle even the most demanding games at incredibly fast speeds. Think of it like having a super speedy typist. Instead of writing papers slowly, you're cranking out lines of code and game footage in no time. But that's not all. This PC also comes equipped with an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5068 GB GDDR7 graphics card. What does that mean for you? It means you'll be able to play games at stunning resolutions like 1080p Full HD, with smooth 60+ FPS gameplay that'll make your heart race. Imagine being fully immersed in a game, with crystal clear visuals and lightning-fast action. It's a whole new level of gaming. And don't even get me started on the RAM. This PC comes with an impressive 16 GB DDR5 RAM, which means you can have multiple games running at once without any lag or slowdowns. It's like having a super efficient multitasker. Just imagine being able to play your favorite game while still keeping an eye on chat and watching replays in the background. Now let's talk about storage. The Skytech Nebula gaming PC comes with a 1TB NVMe M.2 SSD that's up to 30x faster than traditional hard drives. That means you'll be able to load games and levels way quicker, so you can get started on your next gaming session in no time. It's like having a super speedy file server. Just imagine being able to grab a game and start playing it within seconds. And then there's the cooling system, which is actually quite impressive. This PC features a high-performance air cooler that provides maximum airflow and ARGB fans, so you can enjoy a super cool gaming experience without any overheating issues. It's like having your own personal climate control system, right in your gaming rig. But what really sets this PC apart is its affordability. With a rating of 4.3 out of 5 stars and a price that's hard to beat, the Skytech Gaming Nebula gaming PC offers unbeatable value for money. And with its long-lasting 1-year warranty and free technical support, you can trust that your investment will be protected. So what do you say? Are you ready to upgrade your gaming experience with the Skytech Gaming Nebula gaming PC? Be sure to check out the link below to get the best price on this amazing machine. Trust me, you won't regret it.